This is Fluency, still working through grade 3. We're in module 3 and this is lesson 15. We're going to do skip counting again, similar to what we did yesterday, but if you look at our problem, 6 times 9, you'll notice that we're working with 9s instead of 8s. So when we skip count, we are going to skip count with 9s. I suggest holding up your fingers to keep track of where you are, and let's begin. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. And that is 6 times 9 is 54. Again, you could find that same answer going the other way. So let's try instead skip counting by 6 9 times. So we'll start with 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. Same answer. That is the commutative property where we can just mix those up and move those numbers around. We've got our same answer. All right, let's look at the next one, 8 times 9. Again, let's start by counting by 9s. Here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72. So we came up with 72 for 8 times 9. Let's double check that by counting by 8, 9 times. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Same answer, working well. So this is working for us. I hope you're finding the same. Alrighty, 7 times 9. Skip counting again. So we'll start with 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63. We should come up with 63 if we count by 7 9 times. So let's try that. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. Hope you stayed with me with all of that. I hope all of this practicing that we're doing should be starting to pay off for you. And this last one, skip counting to find an answer, we're going to do 9 times 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, and 81. And since we're multiplying by 9, obviously we'd get the same exact answers doing it again. The last thing we're going to do is practice that group counting and skip counting up to 60 and then back down from 60 by 6s. So let's start there with 6s to 60. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. All right, we made it up. Let's see if we can make it back down, starting with 60. Okay, back down from 60, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6. Hopefully you made it. I actually, in all honesty, had to stop in the middle and restart because I got mixed up. All right, let's try 7s. We're going to count up to 70 and then we will go back down, starting with 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. All right, we've made it to 70. Let's go back down. 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. All right, and our last one we're going to do by 8s to 80. I don't know that we've done 8s yet, so let's go up starting with 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. That's 8s up to 80. Let's go back down from 80. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right, congratulations. You made it to the end of another day of fluency. Keep practicing these because you are going to see it again.